Hey guys, what's up? It's Danielle. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you my new Filofax original in the pocket size. This is Deep Aquamarine. Now, this was supposed to be an unboxing, and I apologize because it's obviously not, but I did film the unboxing portion until I realized that I wasn't going to be able to upload it because the orientation is incorrect, and because I filmed it through YouTube on my phone, it's just not going to cooperate. So anyways, I'm just going to take you guys through it, and I already have my inserts in here, so everything from my Holborn is currently in here. But just so you can kind of see what it looks like just on its own, it's just this really pretty, like, deep blue aquamarine. And I'm just so in love with how this looks. I think it's just so pretty and obviously really well made. Feels kind of larger for a pocket size, which I know the rings are 19 millimeters, so it is larger in that respect. But I think just as opposed to the Holborn, it is also larger, like, along the top and the bottom. So I'm just going to show you guys what it came with, because I did not get one that had any kind of a calendar in it or any of those inserts, which is fine by me because I really can't stand the Filofax inserts. So it came with one of these Deloro jot pads, which this was actually in the back pocket, and I took it out because, as you can see, there's not much to it. So, you know, I have my own note paper, like, whatever. And then this, you know, is what came in it. So there's like a laminated piece of plastic, always with a stupid sticker on it, so I'm going to take that off. And then you just have a lot of notes pages. So there's like dot grid, there's lined, and then eventually you get to regular grid, and you know, you have like all the colors and everything. And then there are some contact pages, so I'm probably going to utilize those just because I need to update mine. And then just some of the dividers that I'm pretty sure nobody uses. And then just a top-loading envelope. So this did come with a clear ruler, which I'm actually using in here. And I'm so glad that the ruler is clear because I cannot stand the brown one that came with the Holborn. So as you can see, I got my greasy paws all over it already. But this is what it looks like when you open it. And what's nice about this that I'm realizing, excuse me, already, is that it just lays flat. So thankfully I don't have to do any work with that, but pretty sizable pen loop over here on the left. And then, you know, you just have like a couple more elastic sections. What I really like about this particular planner, and the reason why I chose it, is that it doesn't have a lot of pockets. So basically I'm going from having like pockets galore in the Holborn to having virtually none in the original. And I did that on purpose because I don't really use them a whole lot. I don't really feel the need to, because I just end up forgetting about all that stuff anyways. So there's basically two slip pockets. There's one right here in the front, and then there is one all the way in the back, and that's literally it. So right here is where I put the clear ruler, and yeah, that is about it. So I will obviously be updating you guys when I update this, but for right now I'm just gonna have fun with it and play around with it a little bit. Probably gonna be taking some stuff out of here Not too much, but just a couple of things that, you know, don't necessarily need to be in here. So just so you can tell the difference in ring size, here is the original, and I'm sorry, I keep bumping my phone, and then here is the Holborn. So the Holborn, I believe, is about 15 or 16 millimeters. The original is 19 millimeters, so it's the exact same as if you were to get the Croc. And as far as Filofax is concerned, the largest ring size that they have for Pocket is actually the 19 millimeters. If you want something larger, you'd have to go with like a VDS or I think Aura Estelle. There is also one other shop that does 30 millimeter rings, and I'll be completely honest, I have my eye on that one because I need it. I'm so far into this whole Pocket thing that I'm just gonna keep it going. But anyways, I'm so excited to use this. It's so gorgeous, and I love the fact that, I love knowing that this is gonna be at home waiting for me. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you have any questions, and I'll try to get to them as fast as possible. But I love you all, and I will talk to you all in my next video. Bye, guys.